Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today, the game is adjective. 10 questions. It will start easy and then get more difficult. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Number 1. For this adjective, you have to unscramble the letters. Bob is not happy. Bob is mad. He is irritated. Angry. He is angry. Are you sure? Equals. Are you? Are you sure? Are you really, really sure? Are you positive? Quickly. Positive. Are you positive? We can't eat the apples because they are not. They are still on the tree. They are still growing. They're not ready to eat yet. Ripe. They aren't ripe. We have to wait. We have to wait for them to ripen. Some more. Jennifer's taking Spanish lessons. This means she's not a beginner, but she's not advanced. She's in the middle. Intermediate. Jennifer's taking intermediate Spanish lessons. She's already finished the beginner level. Our neighbors. Those are the people that live near you. Are very noisy, and this next adjective means they are always asking you questions, personal questions. This means they're always asking questions and they want information about you. Nosy. This comes from the nose. It means they're always asking for information. The first one, noisy, means they make a lot of noise. And the second one, nosy, just like the nose, the body part. How do you say this word? That's right, biology. You will study this in high school. If you don't know what it means, please check your dictionary. And I want to know the adjective that comes from biology. Biological. The first one, biology. Biological. Jennifer and Bob both have jobs. This word has a few meanings. Please check your dictionaries. But this means they don't have to worry about losing their jobs. They don't have to worry about getting laid off or getting fired. Secure. They both have secure jobs. The boss said that the work that we did was. This means really bad, terrible. They can't use it. We have to do it again. And the two missing letters are the same letter. Unacceptable. It was unacceptable. From the verb to accept something. We usually use this one with to, T-O. That food is to your health. This means that food is not good for you. It's very bad for you. You shouldn't eat it. Detrimental. It's detrimental to your health. It is a line. If I draw a line like this, it is a vertical line. If I draw one like this, it is a diagonal line. But today, we're doing this one. Like that, flat and level. What do we call that? And one of the missing letters is the last letter in the alphabet. Horizontal. It's a horizontal line. This comes from the word horizon. In today's game, word number 7, secure, is also a verb. It's not in our program, but it is spoken in English. Please check your dictionary. Game over. How did you do? That's fantastic. Was it difficult or easy? Very nice. What country are you from? How do you spell that? Very nice. You're doing very well. I'll see you tomorrow, everybody. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye.